Your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Welcome back to East Texas Live. We are tossing things over to Carson Vickroy, who is in front of Longview right now, the Longview cam, and it looks pretty gray out there, Carson. Yeah, it's still a little gray, but these clouds are beginning to decrease, and they will continue to decrease throughout the afternoon. I know a lot of people kind of have to get the streets cleaned up from some of the branches, the leaves that may have fallen because of last night's stronger winds, and fortunately, we're going to have that opportunity this afternoon. It's just going to be a little bit on the warm side. Here's our temperature. We're already at 74 in Longview. Dew point is at 65. Winds are out of the west at 5 miles per hour, but those winds will slowly be picking up throughout the course of the afternoon. Kind of a joke of a cold front because it's not getting any cooler today. It will decrease our cloud cover a little bit, but we're still going to be warm and humid because the atmosphere is still moist from all of that rain we saw this morning. Now, it wasn't necessarily a complete washout of a morning, but we still picked up about 3/4 of an inch of rain, especially for Tyler and Longview and over to Marshall as well. We saw an inch to about an inch and a half from Gilmer up to Mount Pleasant, and then in deep East Texas, a little less, but Hemphill cashed in at about 81/100ths of an inch of rain. Let's go ahead and talk about that low-level moisture. It has remained in place because of those southerly winds that we're seeing. Dew points are anywhere from the lower 60s to the lower 70s, just depending on where you are. So not only is it going to be warm this afternoon, it's also going to be rather humid as well. Southerly winds at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperature-wise, we are in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Look at Henderson, already at 77 degrees. We have a few more breaks in the clouds there. That's why they're a little warmer than some of the outlying locations. Crockett is at 72. It is 68 in Athens, 68 in Mineola, 69 in Gilmer, 66 in Mount Pleasant, 64 in Texarkana, and it's 75 in Central. Where we do have more clouds, we are in the middle to upper 60s. It's 67 right now for Hemphill, 71 in Lufkin. So in summary of today, we will hit 86 degrees, a few passing clouds here and there. That certainly can't be ruled out. And then as we head into tonight, we'll see a low around 60. It will be mostly clear and a little muggy for us because that humidity is going to remain in place. Now, here's your rainfall forecast over the next several days. It does look to reactivate. The weather pattern will next week. You can see those shades of green. That means above average rainfall, which probably means we'll have 1 or 2 decent chances of rain. Now, from a temperature standpoint, temperatures are going to be going up. They're going to cool down later this week, but go up next week because we're going to start to see that Gulf moisture increase. As a result, the weather pattern is going to become more active, hence the season. It is spring, so we do need to remain weather aware. Here's how all that's reflected on your 7-day forecast. We're in the 80s for today, 70s Wednesday, upper 60s Thursday and Friday, middle 70s Saturday, 81 Sunday, 80 degrees on Monday with a good chance of showers and storms. Deep East Texas, you're following the same trend here. We're going to be in the upper 80s today, a few showers and thunderstorms a little earlier on this morning, but we can go ahead and take those out now. 70s for your Wednesday, upper 60s Thursday, 70s Friday, Saturday, and then back into the 80s by Sunday and Monday. For the latest weather forecast, you can head on over to KETK.com.